All right, good morning, you guys. Happy Monday here. Great start to the, or not a great start to the day. Kind of sad. As you guys know, I'm a big Niners fan, so the Niners could not do it last night. Jimmy looked pretty horrible at the on the last drive, and I think that was a nail in the coffin. So congratulations to all the Rams fans, and congratulations to if you've been a lifelong or a Bengals fan. So I think Joe Burrow. I mean, he just looks incredible the way he played against KC yesterday. So those are so it's going to be a good Super Bowl coming up in 2 weeks. So anyway, let's get back to the market. A couple of things you guys want to be aware of that's happening this week in terms of news. There is going to be a few Fed speakers today, approximately 9:45 a.m. In Chicago and SF Fed, and also Fed George speaks at 12:40 p.m. as well. And the other big news, economic data, would probably be Thursday, initial job claims, and also non-farm payrolls on Friday. So those are the things that the market is going to be looking out for this week. I don't see a lot of big news this weekend that can really rock the markets either, either on the upside or the downside. So it just might have some time to consolidate in these areas. So if we look at QQQ, it's definitely this is a bear flag. There's no doubt about that. It's trying to peak, it's trying to reach out above 355. So let's see what happens today. It might get rejected there and fall back down. So we'll see what happens here. So again, QQQ bear flag. Now, what is going to be interesting, of course, is that you have multiple big company or big name earnings tomorrow, starting with PayPal. So let's see. Let's go over the PayPal chart. All right, same thing, kind of a bear flag situation with PayPal as well. So everything kind of rides on see if they can break out of this tomorrow. There might be a little bit earnings pump with PayPal here. I would say tomorrow it's also AMD reporting earnings as well. Nice green candlestick at the end of the day. I think a lot of things were propped up on Friday. Nice rally, but not really trusting the rally too much here. If I look at the Ashi candles, it's still on a very deep, steep downtrend here. So AMD will be a watch today, and also, of course, PayPal, AMD, and also Alphabet, Google, also reports tomorrow as well. And this is a nice bear flag on the daily as well. So a lot of things are showing bear flags right now. I would just be totally careful getting into any long-term trades. Just scout the daily options, if you will, or day trades is probably the best way to go right now. I don't think anything is worth holding or trying to, hope for a return or some type of a big market rally. There's just nothing really in the economic data that suggests that there's going to be a rally. But what you guys want to do, keep an eye on our energy plays or energy stocks. And you can see this is VET. I talked about maybe a few weeks ago, I think back in December, when it was approximately right here around 10 or 11. And now it's hit about a high, a 52-week high of 1630, 1625. Looks like a nice bear flag happening on a 4-hour chart here. Nice trend, a nice uptrend on VET. This might be good for maybe $20 call options, a few months out, and just kind of sit on it because this, oil and energy stocks typically aren't affected as much as by the market swing. So as far as today goes, and of course it's February coming up. I don't know. I just feel there's going to be more volatility days ahead. I definitely think SPY has a chance of reversal. You can see that the Asha candles the bodies are getting smaller and smaller. So there's definitely a lot of indecision, more so than on the Qs. But this looks like it's about to break out on the 200 moving average, the daily 200 moving average. You can see it's testing here. And if that can break out, there might be a rally here. But if that fails, and I can't imagine it fail miserably, but the bulls are stepping in and trying to push this over the moving average 200. So we'll see if that holds up today. So with that being said, hope you guys have a great day and great start to your Monday. And